Hey y'all, Carl Chapman here. Hey, I'm glad you stopped by to find out about CloudPlayer and simple secure streaming. I want to talk to you about what our plugin does, but first I want to take you down a little side road and talk about video for a minute. Because you know, video is getting really hot. It's used for tons of stuff across the internet. Frank Kern is using it almost exclusively for his sales videos. And you can see Ryan Dice does a lot with video in his sales videos. If you're around the internet at all and you know some of the big name internet marketers are using tons of video everywhere. And it's being used for training. In fact, we have 18 training videos here on this site. And we've got training on Infusion WP at infusionwp.com. And Micah Mitchell has infusionsoftvideos.com, where you can get training on how to fix things that are broken in Infusionsoft. You know, of course, video is really hot for entertainment. I just love that more cowbell video. That's one of the funniest things ever. Plus, we're using it for product delivery. And this is from one of my client sites. We've found that people really see a lot of value when add when they get products delivered to them with video, come with video coaching and those kinds of things. And so it's really important that to create a really good customer experience that you're using video. And then we use it for promotions as well. This is from another site that we have where we're promoting various aspects of the site. We have a couple of continuity programs that we have there, plus click to buy, which is a really neat implementation of one-click upsell as implemented in Infusion WP. And then you can see it all over the internet. This video right here was actually on the front page of Ford.com. So you can see video is really important for a lot of folks across the internet. But video brings its own set of problems because video files are huge, and especially if you want to have high definition, full motion, full color videos, they just the files can get gigantic, and so they can really eat the storage capacity of your host. Plus, if you're hosting your videos locally and you get any kind of traffic hits at all, you can really crush your server. I mean, your videos may not even show to your clients and to your visitors, and that's really going to make them angry. And so that can be a super big headache and lead to loss of sales and dissatisfaction. Then if you try to solve that by using some media services, some of those things are pretty doggone expensive. If you look at some Flash media server services that you can outsource your video to, they could be outrageously expensive, like $400 and $500 a month. It's just unbelievably ridiculous. Plus, many times remote hosting isn't secure because we have to grab the video from some other link and we expose that link in a call to the remote host. People can get up there and grab your stuff, and that's not a good thing, especially if it's an informational product that you're charging money for. I mean, one person can get there, take your stuff, and spread it across the entire internet, and there goes all your hard work and the money that you would have earned from it. Plus, publishing videos can be really complex and time-consuming. And there's so much stuff that can go wrong. You can miss one little dash, a dot, a closed div, all these complex HTML things that you got to remember to do. And if you get one of them wrong, your video can be not played or invisible. And gosh, when you've got tons of them on your WordPress site, if you change the theme, the size difference can make you have to go back and resize every single one of those videos. It's just a nightmare. And while there are solutions from other providers, lots of them don't offer streaming. And why is streaming important? Well, streaming is a way to keep you from having to spend a lot of money on unused bandwidth and downloads. And I'll talk to you more about that when we get to the S3 stuff, okay? So you can see video can bring a lot of problems. Well, we saw those and we decided that we wanted to try and offer a solution. And our solution involves using S3, which is Amazon Simple Storage Systems, and their practically unlimited, super gigantic hard drive in the sky. Okay, it costs literally pennies to store stuff and to download stuff from there, and this, like I said, the size is unlimited. Then we add to that CloudFront, and CloudFront is basically replication of your files that are stored on S3 across the internet to various servers that serve portions of the world where people can get to the files easier. They have higher bandwidth, higher availability, and it creates a better performance and better experience for your visitors. Then we add to that CloudPlayer, and an actual commercial license that we provide you, which CloudPlayer would charge you $95 for. We add that to the product. It's thrown in there as part of the package. And then, of course, you get Infusion WP. We are the first officially licensed add-on for Infusion WP. So for right now, you can only get CloudPlayer if you're an Infusion WP user. So what's different now about CloudPlayer Pro? Well, instead of having to have Infusion WP on your WordPress site and CloudPlayer being an add-on for that, it's now a fully functional, separate plugin for WordPress. It'll work on any WordPress site across the entire internet. That means that you can get the same simple, secure, streaming functionality, but on any WordPress site. Let me show you how easy it is to use CloudPlayer Pro. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to add a new page, because I want to show you how to add a video using CloudPlayer Pro and the default settings. So I'm just going to drop in the shortcode. You see CloudPlayer, the file name, and the close of the tag. I'm going to hit preview. There you have video playing in seconds. Can you believe how easy that is? Now you can do the same thing with almost any video. You store it on Amazon's S3 and CloudFront, and then use CloudPlayer Pro to add it to your site. Let's do that in slow motion, and I'll show you how you get the defaults and the documentation. So here we have the help section under CloudPlayer Pro. We just click on help, and you'll see that we have all the usage documentation that you need for CloudPlayer Pro. Here's the simplest form. We open the shortcode, we put the name of the file, and then we close the shortcode. And here's an example with some of the overrides. Okay? And here's all the overrides that currently work with CloudPlayer Pro. There's quite a few. So to make your life simple, you can just come over here to the help page and highlight the code that you need. Hit Control-C, open up your page, hit Control-V, and then substitute your own personal file name. My file name that I had was trial-download-flv.flv. We play MP4s, FLVs, and MP3s, and we do that securely. So that's how easy it is. That's how fast it is. I'm thinking that it was probably about, I don't know, 10 seconds it took me to add that video. And you can add video yourself to your own website in 10 seconds or less. So check out the how-to videos right here, or download the free trial. Try it out for yourself on your own WordPress site, risk-free. Hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the other side.